uCertify offers Certiport IC3 GS5 Exam-2 prep for entry-level professionals. So, start your prep for Certiport IC3 GS5 Exam-2 from today with uCertify. To be a Certiport IC3 GS5 Exam-2 certified professional, you'll have to pass Key Applications exam. It covers domains that focus on basic database concepts, information retrieval, and database inputs and outputs. In uCertify course, you'll be receiving 155 practice questions and 8,760 hours of online content. It includes 7 lessons with interactive learning resources, such as 133 flashcards, 37 quizzes, and 35 exercises. The course has 2 sets of practice tests, 57 video tutorials, and more than 57 performance-based labs. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you'll be able to learn the most common functions of various office productivity applications, in addition to being taught how to properly select and use the correct program or app for the task at hand. Understand app culture elements and process to obtain and maximize the use of some of today's most popular apps. To explore more about the uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/certiport/IC3 GS5 Exam-2. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by email sales@ucertify.com.